Hey Dad, what is it we're going to learn today?
Okay, Karthik, hi. We are going to learn about what is cloud, what is AWS Cloud, which stands for Amazon Web Services Cloud, and what value does it provide. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you want to build a toy store. Would you like to build a toy store?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So, and you want to sell toys online. How do we get started? Right?
hmm
Okay, let's see. What do you need in order to set up a toy store online?
What we need
Hmm.
is a pretty web page. We need something to do calculations. And of course, we need to store all that important information.
Great. Now, how does cloud help us achieve this goal? Well, you know, you're familiar with Lego blocks, right?
Yeah.
You play with Lego all the time, right?
hmm
So you need different pieces to put them together in order to build a website.
hmm
So we talked about a pretty page. So you need a web page. You need to do calculations. So you need a logic.
hmm
And you said you need to store it somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So you need storage, right?
hmm
Now, the web page is usually built using something called a web server. The
Yeah.
logic is implemented by using something called application server.
Uh-huh.
And the place where you store all the information so that you could retrieve it later is stored in something called databases. So these are the three Lego blocks, if you will, that you need to understand.
hmm
Now, how do you get access to web server, the application server, and the database server? Do
I
you
don't
think?
know.
Oh,
How do you?
great. One way is to go out there and buy all the three. What do you think about it?
Seems a little bit too expensive for me.
hmm And do you think it's easy to buy and maintain all of these servers on your
Mm,
own?
not really.
Yeah, I'm sure you have a lot of work to do, the homework, day to day homework, other things that you work on. So I'm sure you won't have enough time to maintain all these servers, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so how about you rent them?
Yeah.
Sounds like good.
hmm
Okay, well, that is where we are going to get into cloud computing, right? So you need a place where you can go rent these Lego blocks and put them together to create a website.
Yeah.
Well, the place where you go to rent them is Amazon Web Services. It's in the cloud. You go there, you buy what you want, and you build based off of that.
Got it.
Okay, now let's look at what Lego blocks or products that Amazon Web Services offers. Amazon offers something called Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, to host web pages, to build and host web pages. You have, for example, Amazon Web Services EC2, which is a compute service, which is where you run your logic, if then else logic, right, for your website.
Uh-huh.
And then finally, Amazon has something like Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, that you can go rent to store all the pieces of information that you need to store.
Mm-hmm.
So these are like Lego blocks that Amazon offers. So
Mm-hmm.
you just rent them and pay for what you use.
Mm-hmm.
How does it sound?
Sounds pretty good to me.
Great. Okay, good. Amazon has many Lego blocks. We just discussed about three in different categories, but Amazon has many. There are almost like 200 plus products and services that are offered. Imagine all the things that you can build with those 200 plus products or services, which are like individual Lego blocks. Is that exciting?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's go learn more about those in our next videos. Sounds exciting, Karthik?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Let's go.
As always, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your feedback. Hey guys, as well as subscribing, liking, leaving a comment below with the feedback. Make sure that you check out our social media handles and our Twitter, which is I believe at Kids Cow Club 1. Make sure to follow to our Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that will give you new updates about new videos and especially new content and new updates and everything you need to know about the Kids Cow Club and how you can learn cloud computing in our easy to learn courses on YouTube. That's all for this video, and we'll see you later.